Our market appears to be in for another subdued performance today after the release of more disappointing economic data, both in the US overnight and Japan yesterday, fueled global recovery fears and kept offshore markets generally weaker last night. Although a number of medium-sized takeovers in the US technology sector did help lift the Nasdaq last night, and metal prices were also firmer, which could boost our resource sector today. An hour into trading, the ASX 200 index is 5 points, or 0.1% weaker for the day, with most sectors turning in a mixed performance. In company news, shares in Woodside Petroleum have rallied 2/3% to 43.37, despite another drop in oil prices overnight, after the company announced its second gas discovery in as many days off the coast of WA. While further testing on the two finds will be required, Woodside shares have benefited from improved confidence that the discoveries will allow the company to push forward with its multi-million-dollar Pluto LNG expansion plans. And shares in pathology, radiology and medical centre operator Primary Healthcare have dropped 3% to $3.24 after the company reported a slightly weaker than expected $132 million full-year profit and warned that underlying earnings in 2011 will be at the low end of previous guidance. Primary's results were hit by intense competition and higher operating costs in the radiology industry, which have impacted profit margins, while its largest division, pathology, suffered following cuts in government rebates, and the company said it has experienced a slow start to 2011, prompting the disappointing outlook. On the currency front, the Australian dollar has benefited from a weaker US dollar in overnight trade and is currently buying 89.63 US cents. This is Sarah Holtmann for Young Stockbrokers.